Hello everyone, I just wanted to give you all a quick video on how to reduce the size or scale of a Qt interface. In other words, if you're having a problem with Opentrack, the Opentrack window being too big on your screen, you can reduce the size of that window. I've had a problem with when I'm changing the mapping down here. I can change the mapping and everything, but I can't hit the OK button. It's somewhere down here, and it's too big. I can't get to it. I can't reduce the window size or anything. Make it full screen, nothing. So to do that, you're going to want to hit your Windows button and R. So go to the Run program and type sysdm.cpl like that, and click OK or hit Enter. System properties appear in these tabs. Go to Advanced and Environment Variables down here. Okay. Up here at the user variables for your user, click New. And I'm going to type in this Qt underscore scale underscore factor. And now for the variable value, I'm going to enter how much I want that to reduce by. So I'm going to type in like 0.8. So now the Qt window, so the Opentrack window, will be 8/10 or 4/5 of what it was before. So I'm going to click OK, and you'll see we've created that new variable. And now OK and OK. OK. So now open Opentrack again, and you can see that it's smaller this time. And go to your mapping, and you can now see the OK button. Let me know in the comments if you have any issues with this, and I'll try to help you out. That's it for now. Thanks for watching.